Moshe kanjani bathini disemotweni Paula snake gang ichill sisembolweni Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Emo Training All the Time. I'm your boy Lloyd Stacks, aka Super Lloyd, the Xhosa rock star, and today I have a special guest. He goes by the name of Siyamthanda Nondlwana. Let's give it up for Siyamthanda.
Whoa.
Yeah, what's up, dog? I don't know, and excited. I'm feeling excited, especially the musical genius, very spiritual.
Same figure.
I'm not but we're gonna get back that to later. Okay, you know what it means.
Okay.
But I just want to say thank you for pulling up to Emo Training All the time.
Yeah, bro. Thank you man,
very
for having
much.
me.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Man.
Yeah, but otherwise, unjani now grand, nice.
Grand and grand for me.
Emo Training
Yeah, come on. Emo Training and Diabolisa guys. As back and introduce ubantu busiya.
Yeah.
Thanda kwaNondlwana. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yangla.
Yeah. So lapha Emo Training la. So tell us man, so like who like wena ngowaphi la hlalaphi and what do you do like as in general?
Okay. Kama lami ke esibani lazi. Ndihlala apha eHoma. To estradweni kuthiwa iThemadlamini ke street. Yeah, 31 Themadlamini Street.
Hey, ufuna ubanike address yakho la ayazi ba.
Yeah.
We will get you.
Yeah, iThemadlamini. Yeah, ndikhulele apha guys. Ndade ndamngaka still ndiselapha eHoma. Yeah.
What do you do like as in general? What
into endiyenzayo ne? Into endiyenzayo is in general I'm working aside to umsebenzi endiwenzayo aside like ndiyasebenza like a general worker. I have a work at the same time I have that thing that I love with my heart, which is music. So I'm doing londo leyo. I think that's my indlela endiphila ngayo so far. Yeah.
Oh, that's very nice. That's very nice. And I've heard you sing and
yeah,
every time I'm listening to your music, like deep, like it's very deep. So when did this music thing start? Like when did the music like bite you? Like, you know what, I love this. And how did it start basically?
I think it started when I was born. Because I cried. So I think it started from that young age in such a way by Tantana Genokula as Bankula.
Yeah.
Didlalisa with my friends so see Kule and gained and gloom Kenken. When I love voicing Kenkeza because I was still young at that time, so in Kenkeza. So yeah, and Akula ndangena esikolweni eKhumbulani ke ndandihamba SCO in high school. Like
that's a choir.
No, we first I don't clown. You like born in Konzo.
Yeah,
esikolweni. Yeah, to SCO. Yeah, in
church.
Yeah.
So church, some school church. Whatever.
So in Dwenjana, and then ndangena ke apho ndajoina nampha esikolweni ayisham kwamanje so ndamana ke ndihlabelela pha cule pha ngicula pha so ndayibona pha potential but no man I do have something here but let's form a group. I had a group.
Wait, what year was it at that time?
No one's idea.
Like what year was it like?
Oh
yeah,
it was like 13, 14.
Okay, back in high school.
Back in high school, yeah, 13, 14.
So you formed a group?
Yeah, I formed a group. Pana eKhumbulani. Yani ke I group yakhona Xa sendithetha inyani andisalikhumbula igama.
Why? Like,
I don't know.
but yabakhumbula abantu
I do remember because yayindim inguluzuko Sibhengile, inguSiya Trindela, inguyandiswa, forgot her surname. Yeah, so ngamatrida ke aselokishini. So afoma igroup phana masicula wethu like sivisithe nakwezinye isikolo xa sine function se-SO because ela xesha ayisexhaphakile ke lawo iba mhlawumbi sikhwezi lomso njalo njalo.
Isikolo esithile.
So xa besenza function enkulu then lo mvuselelo then we go there. So manje ngicula pha so bona man.
Hey man.
Lewe hayi man lewe ikhona lento. Then I moved to Ndolendawo P College.
Okay.
P College ke ndafunda in tourism management. So ndafunda ke bana but ndangena at the same time arts and culture.
Oh yeah.
In arts and culture bana. So arts and culture ke phana ndangena a cappella straight.
A cappella straight.
Because there's no instrument got bana a cappella yabizwa
whatever.
Yeah, categories zayo.
Beatboxing something like that.
So kwakumfana pha yithomi yami. Excuse me. Yithomi yami phofu. And ndihamba naye from that time siqaludibana lasixa.
Who is that? Tell us who is that?
And I won't let him go. Enguchuma lo. Chuma from a New Bright. So ke lo mfida wayesenza beatboxing.
Yeah.
And he can also sing. So lo mfida wenza beatboxing yonke lanto yokubana uyayazi a cappella. Yeah. And I'm still familiar ne a cappella because suka nayo eKhumbulani and then because by eKhumbulani bethe a cappella.
A cappella.
Yeah, so ikeyboard ndandisifumana mhlawumbi kwezo SO siphume kuzo functions ngezinye indawo.
Now yeah, that's keyboards and stuff like that or just siyacula qha.
I'm just a singer.
Okay. Just a vocalist.
Yeah, just a vocalist. So ndalento ke pha no Chuma so saqhuba ke le lento la cappella group. I think we were 5 but I don't remember their name abanye ke. Sorry guys.
Hey, Askis Joe.
Sorry guys.
It was a long time ago.
Ngumako. So sayenza ke nyani la cappella Ashem kwaMandi instead of wadlala beatboxing uChuma yakhe. So from then ke usayiqhuba lento.
Manje niyenza la
uqhuba lento so manje siyenza and then I came back to nayo ndabana siza nayo phoma join the Candles.
Yo, I remember those times.
Yeah,
like,
so the Candles.
even though I was young, I couldn't even go there. But I used to hear in Bonipo Stars, used to go past there.
Yeah.
The
So
Candles.
ndingatsho lani ba layo ndifunde ndicacelwe into yocula esikakhulu ngongisesikolweni. Yabo.
So what yabucula benizenza ingoma zenu okanye like did you like sing yenza covers? Did you like make covers like nicula ingoma zabantu at that time?
In which time esikolweni high school
Like all this way.
Yeah, we senza ne covers.
Okay. Nice covers.
Sizenza ke nengoma ezezethu because ke some of abanye babe good eqwebeni.
Yeah.
Yabo, especially gospel songs. So ingoma gospel it's so easy to
It's been gospel all the way.
Yeah. It was gospel from the start. Lewe.
Ingoma zakho phela ziyafana la.
Ziyafana but ngadlula different words.
Ziyafana man.
But ngoku
I feel like zonke ngathi like can you maybe gospel is so popular that bona like so popular but awuyazi by popular because you hear the songs everywhere. And then you think like ayingome one.
But yangoku manje gospel mhlobo ayifani manje.
Dala my mom used to listen to gospel though. Brenda. Oh, you're not Brenda. Holy shit. Okay. No, Rebecca.
Yeah. Rebecca, don't leave me alone.
Oh, dog. Yeah.
Yeah, Rebecca. And I'm getting cool ngayo. So I used to love la mama guys. And sometimes I go ayo la mama baby yenzi.
No londi la
yabo so ndahamba la weke to I function yayinkulu kwathiwa arts and culture. Ine act phakathi ine drama ine into ezininzi arts and culture masilona la hlobo inento ezininzi nyani ke sa join ke ba esikolweni so aba fika isikolo
from all over like
from Tata zonke colleges in Tata yonke la nto zonke provinces umzekelo
nawe
yabona nyani ke sayijoyina like after ke sijoyine lento esikolweni so mina ndakwicala ke kule acapella nakwicala le
poetry.
Yeah.
Now yeah, ikwazi poetry.
No. I was helping a friend yam.
Okay.
Kuthiwa nguDez, my lesbian. Oh baby, but I love them. So ndanceda yena wathi bana so say andifuna something like ene voice umuntu oculayo and then we gonna we're gonna do le poem. The poem it's all about LGBTIQ. So me so sitting at so there's no need to think too much bana what I can sing. What bana ngayizenzela la kuzibana so ndasixelela okay ilula le ndiyenzayo apha I'm gonna create my own and then I created my own and then I answer with my unisms and then we
What was the poem?
I don't know the poem but the song I'm not gonna sing the song because my voice is fucking shit. I don't know but ingoma ithi you judge me like you know me. You judge me like you know me. God knew me before I was born. If I was a saint, I wouldn't be here. Wouldn't be here. So that was the trust that's
what born.
And then there's a humming there, and then another we are with speaking about
whatever.
So in danger and like stop killing us. Something like that. In as way but stop killing us. Like we are people, younger land.
I used to see those things growing up. I used to see those things. But when I like okay, talking about the LGBTQ, how do you want me to address you? Like the Konabando about can you please address me a certain way? Like her.
Address me as a
they cook was away when I
not in there.
But bakona
but I'm not pa.
What do you think about that when like
there's nothing wrong guys because choice yakhe like busy like to sing apho kanye ndising up it's your choice
just like
make a choice I don't care. I don't care
as long as
so enjoy
but basically back to the way but like I just want to say before we go back to the music thing, you're looking stunning. You're looking fresh.
What's like, mom?
So unique. Like every time like damn, you're like you swing you have a different type of like what's your inspiration behind that, dog? Like what inspired your look? What inspires your looks?
Oh man,
can you
yo
how you just rock? But I have to say, as long as I'm fresh,
as long as like mnandi ngumuntu ocinga out of the box
in
terms of indlela enxiba ngayo ndibanalani ba okay because nje uhlala ndicinga ba amangase I feel like ngase ngibe ngolhlobo namhlanje. Like to me it goes with my feelings.
But when you're at the shop, like you're like, okay, I need this. Like, what's your mind process? Like, what are you into basically? Are you into like, I don't know, dog. Dog, if you saw him before he came on camera, dog, like had like a coat. It was like, yo, that's some pimp ass shit. But okay, not that type of word. But yeah, you're looking fresh, like.
Thanks, Chumam. Like money feeling.
Style is
it's my style is my feeling. I feel like this. I feel like we're like this, and I think mnano mculo emhlabeni umamelayo. It also I think iyayenza effect to my fashion. Mculo ndumamelayo so iyayenza effect ku fashion yami like indlela enxiba ngayo. Iyayenza. So noba sometimes you don't know me. Or you can't like unibulisa okanye unibone banxibe kahle banalani ba. Oh. Rubbish eyawumamelo Erica Badu. Mamelo Erica Badu because I can see indlela enxiba ngayo. Oh. Mamela. Yabo.
Who do you listen to like? Who's your favorite like maybe your favorite three artists, maybe 5. Erykah Badu sekhona.
Yeah, it's Erykah Badu. Zomuticha, she's from here,
Okay.
South Africa. Simphiwe Dana. Tanso Mazwai.
So deep.
And Brenda Mtambo.
Brenda ba?
Mtambo.
Not Brenda Fassie.
No, Mtambo.
Okay, but when you said to Simphiwe Dana, khona longo yakhe. Themba no me.
National anthem kaloku. If you don't know Simphiwe Dana, xa introduce I don't know Simphiwe Dana. You sing that song. And then someone is out click because
that song.
Yeah.
Is so beautiful.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
So beautiful.
Umculo wakhe choma.
I would cry by this as you. I love Simphiwe Dana like.
Yo.
But and when it comes to music, what kind of music do you make? Like, do you make like now Afro soul? Cause I saw your recent song. Actually, what type of music do you make? Like,
it's Afro soul.
Afro soul.
Yeah.
That type shit. So boom. The way I came again
with a lot of soul.
I don't.
Yeah,
it has some soul.
I can say it's Afro soul, but with a lot of soul music.
Let's say it's soul. Just give it soul.
That's a soul music. I'm doing soul music.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Why?
That was my mistake of Afro. Cut the Afro.
Soul.
Cut the Afro. I'm doing soul music.
What made you do soul music? Like iqalenjani okay, like phelile okay, like the group and stuff. And I see now you're moving like with backup singer Joliza. Am I right?
Yeah, I started there.
Yeah,
as a backup Joliza.
So how did that start? One?
Yeah. Like as babendishilo before ba ndayibuyisela lento yemculo wam eCandles, like singing kwi acapella yapha.
Yeah,
eCandles groomed by uAndile Venfall. So baya then ayinabana ndingena ke group phana noThina Mkhuthu samle singena ke group phana kumandi nyani ke isesegamanda ngoko.
Yeah,
ngoko isesegamanda, and then we sang the acapella zethu songs and then we done. And then ya move to emca ke ingeka renovate to
olhlobelilo
isekudala isengolandalash oqala. Then siphana siqhuba like uqhutywa like Candles Andile noFundile. Because hayi ke nyani baqhutywa lento. So apha kube kusanongena lengoma kaNathi Mankayi Nomvula. Everyone was loving that song. And nam ndayiva uqala kwam uyiva ndifuna uxoka ndayiva eCandles engqondo. What is the song?
This is music.
The intro of the song, the guitars, like come on, who's this? And malo umntu mna ndaqala uyiva le ngoma. So le ngoma nyani ke nixhaphakele ndiphele ndiyazi nyani. Bekusiya makhwabe apha. Usiya makhwabe guys. Usiya makhwabe usacula ke le ngoma.
Sayicula nasi ulen?
Yeah, usiya wayicula at that time. So nyani ke ecula uNomvula usiya apha. Ecula uNomvula apha, ecula uNomvula. So usiya asibecula manje siza kum, asondelele kum like trying to grab my attention back. Fondini.
Kangene.
I know, come. So I'm not man because I'm with friends. So no, man can't hear you. So Fundile was a woman postal mic like
hey,
mic mic. Okay. No see young ababa. And get would say cripple attention about to me.
Linda Lowe nabama
kumba ngumntu ujonge usiya ba. Come on. Okay. And acula. Ulen kwampa ayacula nacula. Didn't know ke mna ke ba nacula to a point of my goodness of all, at the point of my all. And then yaphela solo because I think it was the last act yenza ngela xesha yabo. So yaphela ke ngolo hlobo. Fine akabi khondo saphuma ke Candles. Xa siphuma eCandles ndaqhwecwa. Xa ndiqhwecwa nguJolisi ba ikuse uGrand. Grand I am a grand one.
Yeah.
And grand man. Ngusiya ngusiya mthomam ndacela mani cela ungiphi number zakho. Fondini inkulu lento yenzileyo.
Yo.
Cela sidibane mani phanga ki Wendy House. Ba uye phanga ki Wendy House uzanibona pha ngaphandle. Nyani. Ndiqomba okay amandeta come ke ndiyivisitele.
Like did you know him before or did you know of him?
I know Ndiamas like siyazana.
Yeah. But gay.
Yeah, siyazana but music wise I was alone, he was alone uhlobo lwakhe qhuba uhlobo lwakhe so yena wafumanisa kubana no I got someone come man suba ndikwazi come ukutsibele wantsibele wena was tsiba khokho like say nansi man songa masambe nyanda yakuye nyani ke sa exchange numbers and then wanxaba masidibana eminute nyani sadibana ngalo mini and then we do a session there. That's where he formed the land band. Yeah. Whoa. Taking ke kumculo wakhe out to a band.
We
yabo. So as a first backup vocalist yakhe I was one. Ndimoqala.
No binguwe wedwa
ba ndimndedwa.
Yo.
Ndimoqala. So ndabhekiswa lo hlobo and then came Meza Whiskey and then came Belinda, a friend of mine from A New Bright, and then we came 3 and then pusha ke ngoku nangoku naye sepusha kwapushwa kwapushwa kwaze kwala and then xa sifika apha before anything yenzeke kwathiwa Msiyana you out of backing. Now we want to push you as a upcoming artist.
Cause I saw in your videos like Joliza when after you guys perform maybe like yakbi is out atiba okay siya nangusiya nondlwana
sure
perform. So it was something like that like man showcase your thing eh.
Yena wayengandiboni ngolo hlobo yena unibona ngohlobo lokuba usiya ngumuntu okumele ba upha
spotlight
ngoko
lento yakhe la
yabo usiya ngumuntu kwakade kumele ba upha yabo but yazi what I love about Lasiya bena bembona Lasiya waited ubo Lasiya he was so peaceful.
So now what do you mean like what do you mean are you still part of the band?
I still am
part of the backup but you still have your own thing on the side.
Yeah.
So you're part of like Imboworks management. I saw on your thing. Well, can you tell us what is Imboworks to the people who don't know? Now I don't know the Imboworks properly. I just know about is it a record label or something like that?
Dingati Imboworks it's a company that grows artists.
Okay.
Ikhamba nekuthathayo ikufake and then ikufundise xana ufuna ufunda. Ikufundise xana ufuna ufunda ungumuntu ofuna ukwazi umculo kanye ungumuntu ofuna uphuhle lifeini and then like ngakuzama to that point. Yabo. So it's
a management like would you say it's a management?
It's a management. It's a management.
It's not like a record label.
It's not a record label, no.
But you say
management, like having someone who's a guider.
I think we gotta put me under Imboworks like
someone who's a guider in a right way. Tell you
push
to
a podcast
do and tell you not don't sequence into Chile. As our way. So we're not alone to this thing.
So I've seen you perform a lot, but okay, I think let's go to like almost about this new song that you just released. Inyembezi.
Boy.
I listened to that song, like I know it talks about umama like kala but I don't have parents, but at the same time I felt it. Bone.
So
I'm here to nozala la bone.
yeah.
Nyan. Mama want tala na man. Oh,
It's a nice
that song is beautiful.
It's a nice song.
So can you tell us about the song? How did you make the song and when did you make the song? How was the process?
I wanna
of the
lie.
song.
I wanna lie. It's very funny in Duyalango. So funny.
What you mean? Tell us. We
So
wanna
funny,
know.
Because Langoma died pure Langoma.
Yeah.
I didn't write that song. Died pure Langoma.
Who gave you the song?
Chulis.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I used to back up Langoma.
I see.
Yeah, I used to back up Langoma. Lawe.
Go on, eh? Ooh.
Yeah, so say sisemtshatweni apha one of our friend and then kwathiwa apha sizawucula kulo mtshato as i-guest artist and then warujolezala siya let's do separate slots singenzi i-same slot sicule soyi-2 ngexesha liyi-1 so siya apha masenze wena uzawuba ne-slot sakho nam ndibe ne-slot sam I'm like okay tsho mama sorry ndapha.
You want some water?
Yeah, please.
Let me get you some water.
So ke nyani ke sangena kule different slots. So nako la ngoma ndayirehesa kuqala.
Yeah.
Ndizayi quick rehearsal. Nyani ke. Wathi jolisa chongasi. After the rehearsing le ndiyenza just a quick rehearsal.
Yeah.
Ngoma driver and okay. Ngoma I'm alone, there's no backing, there's nothing. So it's only me with the band. So I have to drive.
Yeah, Anila, you.
Sorry. Yep. So you have to drive the song. Naganja. Because this song, it allows, it goes. So now you have to go.
You.
Well, I go on and a lengo masai chosai chona lengo masalo na lengo masalo na lengo. Every morning go lengo ma wali so say ndiyakupa cho mama.
You. Thathe man.
Ndiyakupa man. Nansi ingoma.
You.
For wena.
Because I even saw on the writings by writers Kusia Nondlana plus no Thandi Khaya Jozi yama.
So we did that. So sahamba ngola hlobo. So naphela ndi performing ngoma and then it went, people loved it and then we write it and then came to a record.
Point bar like.
Yeah.
When did you record it?
I recorded it here. Got up home.
I
to
see.
The guy Alapes Flatin.
Amjitauli kwara.
Yes.
Hey chonga ban ba recorder pana la quality you
very
record
nice. Nice trim quality yake I recommend.
Is it your first song?
Yeah, my first
single basically that song.
Yeah, studio.
Otherwise khona ingoma is like khona ingoma yakho benibukela la Tshoni Langa nazo la but I don't know.
Yeah, la Tshoni Langa.
But this is your first song.
Yeah, first.
Yeah. I won't lie, that's a very beautiful song.
Thank you.
Very deep. Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, imnani la ngoma la.
Ay. It's such a nice
Jonga like yo.
And it's ngani funa ukuxela obese recorder avaze kuba
yo.
This one.
Because
mnani kaloku ndiqhele ngo live ne and then I go and live hamba with a straight yabo and then yona inala qobututing klebonko and there's a lot and then ngoba ongosiyam ndizayiqala ngamntana iyalibhida tho mama azoza tho masiyibalele sayibamba nyani and then we did the song.
That's a beautiful song, eh?
Yeah.
But thanks. I see you perform a lot. Which one is recording the music or performing?
To me, it's live.
Live.
Ooh. Music.
Ooh.
Yeah, I love live.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And do you have a spiritual routine before you perform? Because your music's so deep, is there something you do before performing, or you just rehearse?
No, I rehearse before the show and then I do my little prayer. Yeah, before I get in.
Yeah.
But I pray more by opening my mouth singing.
I
I do pray more. And I don't even like take a look a lot to people who are watching me.
Yeah.
Because
Yaqula
kwesinye ispace esisodwa that ekumandi kuso.
Yeah,
I feel good. And for I don't care. Let's go. Yeah, I feel like that. Yeah, I feel like that. You guys are here, and that's why the city I'm a soul artist, because song starts apakum. I don't just bam the song and then bam and then say, guys, take it and then go. I started kum and then and then it goes. And the Lando, I think for me it's a good feeling. And then you don't have to take the song to abantu. Yeah. Abantu can grab the song. Because when you became a magic of the song. Yeah. So, Komu music, that's how it feels. It makes goosebumps. Oh, yeah. It's not just music. It's not just like I can see like people learn by yo guys umculo umandi. Guys umculo umandi leyo into isozipele. But if you can go deeper to music, listen and go with the feeling of music, it's it's a different thing. When I'm alone, I go crazy.
And it's one take our live, Lawe. It's now.
Yeah.
Or never.
Yeah, so it's something like that.
Theaters, like big
not
stages.
Yet in a theater, yes.
Okay, not yet. But I see you perform like we're like one rooms, Liamo's like
yeah, I did one room. I did one room several times. Dala. I did one room. I did one room with.
Was it your cake, like your own cake?
The first show I had, Babene do actually host your show, so you apply to that, and then if you accept you, and then there's a show, and then you tell her the exact date, and then we take some tickets. Yeah. So the company that I'm in, which is Imbowex, applied for me, and then
we got the deal.
Pumela got a good date, and then after date, and then I went for my first show. First ever. I've never had a show in my life. It was my first fucking show.
Oh, how was that feeling? Like, were you nervous?
The nerves. But the nerves are there, but the Ziaman in excitement. Yeah, it's an excitement. And then when you in there, oh God, Ndilapa, and there's no turning back. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. So my second show, a one room, Mandela Bay Arts Festival, and then Yenza Labana in the one room. So it went. The first one was okay. So okay. It was so okay. Yeah.
It was your first time, like?
Yeah, my first time. So it was so okay. So feeling good. Yeah. But the second one was awesome.
Oh. Yeah.
It was so good.
I like that spirit.
Okay and good that we're here, we're doing this. Let's go. First time, come on.
No matter what happens, we're doing it.
We're doing it. The second one was like, come on. This is awesome. This is awesome. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa. The second show that I had. So and then after that, then Dabizwa to we splash. I've never to Mamdaya go splash in my entire life.
Me too. As a struggling artist. Ever since kwathiwa kukunto kuthiwa splash ndisecaweni zange why as in wow ye phana kuso wena
ndiye like do experience andibukela abantu ndiphithizele phana zange never.
And then the first time was performing.
The first time was performing, going for a performance to the main stage. Come on, big main stage.
In front of you,
felt good. Oh guys, it was so good. The yabona ke sound yakhona, oh
Perfect.
sound
Like,
yakhona
professional.
uyava yonke ipiece, uyayiva yonke into kahle, you can hear yourself, you go, yeah, you go.
That's
Inyembezi.
Perform
when
apana like
before it was recorded.
before it was recorded,
Busy there.
Suka Ellen.
Yeah, because the performance great langom. That's so
I
nice.
saw it like to Sia Nontlwana.
Yeah.
Cause I'm like on Spotify and then I'm like, yo, this shit is lit. This song is lit. Like, yo, and your gigs like do you these days you perform like no Choliza, like what other like where have you actually because it is in your gigs isn't not like you're like yo I like being here, like your festival's been performing was since born every part of the band and stuff.
Yeah, Ebubelin.
Bubelen. Oh, and so you perform at Bubelen like
Twice. It was
Yo.
second time last year.
yo.
Yeah, it was our second time last year.
Oh,
So nice.
oh. Did you come up on stage alone for your solo or did
No,
okay, you just a backup?
No, just back up. Keep it back. within
But-
Ngicula ndo itena. Yeah, singing tenor. From soprano, I used to be a soprano to tenor. Yeah, so I was
And
singing
his ass is
tenor.
away, but as long as I'm not.
The soprano is a high note. Tenor is a
Yo,
lower.
as long as that shit nice, I like it. You know? And like, do you like vocals? No, do you practice? Is there a thing you do with your neck or something like
Yeah, I do practice. Maybe
Because you're
for a
about
song.
no man the fever or out it, Joe.
Yeah, yo. That's why
Yo, bro.
Bambi like a winter.
Yo,
Yeah,
bro.
Bambi summer.
Yo, bro.
Sunging banik.
Yo.
Sunging ban.
Come on.
But okay, my voice is very funny. It can crack
Yeah.
and crack and crack and crack and then
Yo.
pull through. And when it pulled through,
Yeah.
there's no turning back.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Nah, that's lit, like. But sure, let me check. Okay, we got maybe another 15 minutes, but
Yeah.
I saw you on another song by Ndero Wasikazi plus no like Imizamo.
Oh, very
Yo.
nice song.
Yo.
Very nice song.
Yo.
Very nice song. I love that song.
Yo.
I just thought to go over there.
Yo.
Yeah.
No, that song needs to blow up, dog. No way,
Nice
dog.
song. Indeed. It is a nice song.
How did you become part of that song, man? Like, how did you get into that song?
Yo. Like mna kumkwa introduce a beat by Ndero.
Yeah.
Want to introduce a beat. Siyana. Tine nansi beat that. Come with a beat and see
What you can
do ngayo.
Yeah.
Yabo. Mamela and then saza namagama uyini baba kuningi
Yeah.
baba. Yeah,
Kuningi.
so better naye xa ivula and then asked him okay I'm gonna take the chorus and
Ooh.
then go with the verse and then I'm out
Yeah.
and then go back to the chorus.
Yeah.
So abethelwa hlobo like with the high note and the
Yeah.
lower
Oh.
bass note.
Guys, in. How was the studio session that day? Like, to come to the studio and they record a pakoye and
Yeah.
we no
Yeah,
like you
yeah,
know
like-
no like guys in like yo I won't lie, dog. Yo, your voices in guys are so
Yeah.
beautiful, dog. Yo,
Asetyenzwa mbafu.
apha kuwe like Apilokshini, who are your like? Let me not say top. Like, who can you tell us more like abantu abantsuye munyanyana who are doing this type of music that you're doing? Like, mostly like maybe 5 people besides Unjo that we know. Like other people that you might not know as if viewers like. Oh,
Like,
plug me too. Okay, let's say ngulakhe ne. Go Choliza. Who are the other people? Nawe.
Mandlovu.
Lao say to Mandlovu, ne?
Yeah,
Oh.
Mandlovu.
Oh,
Yes.
dog.
Yes.
She's lit, dog.
Yes, Mandlovu. Who else?
Oh, Tolise na.
Andikamamela uTolisi.
Andikamamela la.
Andikamamela uTolisi.
But naye ngomnye la way. Like these days I feel like the people who are booming are singers, dog. Have you noticed? Cause singing like yo.
Yeah. But if you take it serious. Yeah, you're gonna go somewhere. And another thing, man, I've enjoyed just a small thing.
Yeah.
Apha life you have to uzixelele ngento yenzayo.
Yeah.
Yabo uzixelele ngento yenzayo uyenzisise for twos.
Yeah.
And take it respectedly. You respect.
Yeah,
I respect manto yenzayo. Uthi make sure ba you do good, you leave a mark.
Yeah. Be serious.
Umculo, it's not okanye like a gig, it's not like a child's play. Ngumsebenzi owuthathayo lowa as like, okay, here I'm singing and I'm getting paid.
Yeah.
So I have to take my work serious so that dizo like ufumanise kubana uyakwazi notyeka kwabantu.
Yeah.
As ufumanise kubana no man, this guy has a strategy so introducing ingoma yakhe indlela ezinjeyana driving ingoma yakhe the way astretha ngayo stage yabo ezanto zinjeya.
Do you have like a manager like manager and like someone who manages you and one like puts you in line, like tells you what to do and stuff like that?
Yeah, I do have a manager from Inbox. Yeah. Like yenzeka like sixalela ba okay siyana this is how it goes, it's gonna go this way, and then you're gonna do this way. You're gonna do this way, you're gonna do this way. Yeah. And what I love about management yam is that they know I'm crazy on stage. So if I go crazy, I go crazy on stage. So I'm a crazy on stage. Yeah. So if you see this year that you see now, it's not the same with Usia stage.
You know what I mean?
It's not the same.
Now I've seen you perform your stuff.
Go crazy.
You go crazy.
Crazy.
I just want to say I wish you the best.
I think hence abantu beyifumana ingoma yam.
Yeah.
Umlafumanise kuba andihamba nayo le ndifumene le ngoma andikuyo le ndakuyo ndikuyo. So I go crazy. I just go crazy because but la craziness is not that bana ndiyazenzela ndenze andizenzeli but yazenzekela. It's a feeling. It's a feeling that picks me up yantikila fumanise kubana let's go.
That's lit. That's lit. But talking about Nkila. The music Nkila you know. So like up in your journey of like performing, like has it be like celebrities, like have you actually met like have you I see like you have met like Onsika and stuff like that, or Nati like on your way have you met like what kind of celebrity, like have you met like celebrities? That's nice. Like
I met Unat.
Whoa, Nati.
Yeah.
How was that feeling? Like
so nice. It was a nice feeling. It was a nice feeling. I met Unat Mangai and sit and chat.
You chat with Unat Mangai.
And we had a chat, took pictures and stuff.
Yo.
Yeah. So I've met Unat, I've met Amifako. I've met
Amifako. I hope you're watching this.
What else I've met? I've met Butlem Da.
Butlem Da is the one from the soil.
I've met Zizo.
Zizo Pet.
Yes, I did meet him.
Damn.
Yeah.
Damn. At
least I'm getting there.
There's no way you gotta stop now. You already there. You already there. Like I've keep on doing.
At least I've met. Abantu Onoko.
At least I'm not in my rap career. I haven't met any celebrities.
Right.
But one day I will. Hey, I will.
Why?
Whoa. Maybe I haven't taken it serious. I didn't take it seriously.
If you take your work serious, you go.
I don't know. I'm taking this podcast thing serious though. So you got.
And I'm glad you do that.
Yeah. I'm
so glad
I want to document like ikasi lave. But like ninsi talent ikasi, like there's a lot.
There's a lot, especially good Gaslit.
Yo,
guys.
we have a lot of good.
We are so talented, woman.
Yo,
cool.
But there's no platforms where like, but there's no movement where we're like, okay, now this thing is happening. Like, let me say, a commotion, but meaning talking about motion, like abantu basalokshin now, they're not aware of what's happening. But but not everyone is like, they know about so I feel like we do anything to show that by hey khona into yenzekayo apha la I want ask abantu bano mna ndifuna kuyenzekelo wena babone is like yo nansi fani khona into yenzekayo apha like yabo khona nenye podcast the Forbidden Fruit podcast na bazino zabo la and they are showing that yo khona ezenzekayo apha can you just invest in this thing, but
still inale ixhomeke kwabantu abayibukeka
yabo ixhomeke kwabantu abayibukelayo la
to uyisasaza nabo baba uyafuna and we're not forcing anyone to do
not
that.
Not forcing anyone. Do it out of your heart. Do it out of your heart, dog. But yeah, like I just want to say thank you for pulling up to show yam.
So man,
thank you very much, dog. Like what's in the, like, tell us about the future, dog. What should we expect from you? Like, are you gonna drop more music? And
yeah, there's I will drop more. You will
music. Drop, but go on. This is your first single?
It is my first baby.
Yeah.
Can I please enjoy my baby with you guys?
That like baby is beautiful.
Nabantu abafuna umamela like bamamela umntanami yabo. Yeah, so yeah,
that baby is beautiful, guys.
I have a beautiful baby.
That baby is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Ooh,
baby, a very strong baby.
Ooh, that baby will never die, Joe.
Never.
It will never die.
Guys, I think like I've learned something. Hansen
yeah.
Another.
Simpiwetana.
Into nayithathayo kuyo ndayikota ukuba uthi like she's not against any music genre.
Yeah.
In such a way ba like umculo like uyaqhubekeka
yeah.
Ingamapiano ngoku and igqom yonke la way. But to cut it short because I don't remember amanye amagama what
yeah, just paraphrase.
But yeah, so but uthi ngaske xa usenza ingoma wenze ingoma ezawulasta forever.
Yeah.
Umzekelo ndi-ready. How many years kwathiwa ndi-ready?
Ready.
Exactly. Yabo. Ngaske udlale ngase uyazi ba noba uyi-artist efana nam.
Yeah.
I-soul music okanye efana noJoliza ubhale like ingoma ufumanise kubana ingoma ezawulasta. Nobana seyigqithile 10 years. Umzekelo ba kuzothiwa Americana. Uzadlala American izawuthi nqingqondo. I know that song. Exactly. So kufuneka into enjeya and then you jam along to that song because uyayazi le ngoma.
And ungabila uyahamba ingoma yakudala lena ubengathi like yo.
Exactly.
I know the song.
You're still playing that song. Isadlala la ngoma ndilele. Yabo?
Yo.
So that's what I want for this one.
And like,
that's what I'm praying for. I'm praying for ba noba ndilele. Like dilele nje ebusuku ngiyakhona. Someone is listening to me. Someone is
Let me tell you something. Can I tell you something? Izola, I was listening to that song while you are asleep. I was listening to that song while you were asleep. Yo, that shit is lit. I like Angogi guys. That shit is lit.
Yeah,
that song is lit. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Download it. Where can people get your song? Like, I listening to it on Spotify. It's on digital platforms, Mom.
Yeah.
You can also download it. Yeah. I know Kabana person on YouTube.
Yeah,
but I'm there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So YouTube, it's fine. You can find me there. I'm there.
Download it. So you download on Tubidy. You can stream on Spotify. You can stream on YouTube. Now stream Spotify and YouTube. Both, boy, so you can do the same.
That's nice. That's a nice song.
Yeah, no, so you can do the same. But I just want to wish you well on the future, Aqualine. I just want to wish you well on your music, and it's very beautiful. Very beautiful.
Thank you.
Like it's beautiful. Deep.
Yeah, deeper.
Why did you make it deep, dog?
I don't know, because I maybe it's my voice. Claiming I voice that makes it deep.
But yeah, made it deep. That shit is deep.
Yeah. Maybe when I call a word with a voice, maybe. Or when I.
But I appreciate it. Like, this is another one. For Grandman, otherwise.
Yeah, the Grandman.
Are you good?
Good.
Anything you want to tell us? Anything I didn't ask? Maybe you wanted to let people know?
What is it? Nothing.
But I just want to say thank you for, if you reached this stage, thank you. Even if you didn't reach this stage, bro.
But thank you.
Thank you for
thank you. Thank you, man.
But
thank you.
Yeah, boy, bump up the subscribers and go listen to Sia Nondlwana on Spotify, YouTube, TubeT. Follow
everywhere.
Sia
all digital platforms.
Sia Nondlwana on Facebook too. Sia Nondlwana Music.
Yeah.
All that time and shit.
Facebook page.
Yeah.
And then my personal.
Instagram
Sia_Nondlwana.
That's your personal too.
Yeah.
But thank you for watching and have a good day and good life.
Thank you guys for watching. Yeah.
Paul, that's the gang,